Nokia 6290 upper block disassembly and assembly. You will need the following tools: a Torx and a torque driver, a Torx plus size 6-bit, metal tweezers, a flat-bladed screwdriver, the SS93, the SRT6 and the SS102 camera removal tool. Open and remove the battery cover. Remove the battery if inserted. First, place the SRT6 between the edge of the cover upper and the cover deco plate and gently slide it along the edge. Then remove the cover deco plate with the SS93 and discard it. Unscrew the screws in the order shown. Remove the screws. Unlock the snaps of the B cover upper starting on the shown side. Expand the B cover upper from the shown side, and gently slide the SRT6 along the edge to unlock the snaps. Do not twist the SRT6 to avoid scratching the covers. Do the same on the other side. Remove the B cover upper. Unlock the snaps of the UIK mate with the SS93 and remove it from the B cover upper. Gently open the PWB flex connector carefully. Remove the camera module with the SS102. Unlock the IE board. And carefully open the LCD connector. Now, remove the UI board IC from the cover upper. Cover the sub-display with the protective film. The displays can be removed easily. Cover the main display with the protective film. Use the flat-bladed screwdriver as a lever to unlock the earpiece from its place, and remove it. Open the UI flex connector. Remove the UI flex from the UI board and discard it. The disassembly procedure is now completed. Place the earpiece into the cover upper and gently push it into its place. Avoid bending the spring contacts. Align the new UI flex with the UI board and close the connector. Note the right position of the UI flex. and press it carefully onto the metal shield. Place the LCD into the cover-upper. Ensure the right position of the LCD connector. Align the UI board with the cover-upper and carefully close the LCD connector. Ensure that the camera module is positioned correctly. Insert the camera module. Note the right position of the guide pin. Secure the camera module by gently pressing it into place. Close the PWB flex connector. Fit the UI K-mate and close the snaps. Fit the B cover-upper. And carefully squeeze the parts together. Insert the screws. Set the torque driver to the correct torque. To avoid damaging of the plastic threads, first tighten the screws to the left. Then tighten them in the order shown. Place the cover deco plate onto the cover-upper and press it carefully to secure it into its place. Finally, fit the battery cover.